This is how to delete your Cash App account. First, we're gonna head on over to the App Store, look up Cash App, and make sure to update and install this app. Once you've updated it, we're gonna go on over to the app and open it. All right, once you open it up, first thing that we're gonna do is go in the bottom left where our money homepage should be. And before you are able to delete your account, you will have to get rid of all of the cash that you have in your cash balance. So in order to do that, go and hit on Cash Out right there, press Cash Out. If I wanted to delete my account, I would do all of this money, but I don't want to at the moment. I'm just gonna do $1, press Cash Out, instant. And then all of your money will transfer to your bank account. Once you have no more cash in your cash balance, we're gonna head on over to stocks and Bitcoin right here. And we're gonna make sure we don't have any stocks or Bitcoin bought on Cash App. We want those completely cleared out. All right, once you've done that, we're gonna go to our profile picture in the top right. We're gonna scroll all the way down to support right here. We're gonna head on over to the search and search delete account. And as you can see here, it says closing your Cash App account will disable your cash tag, prevent payments from being received, and sign you out of all sessions. If you've done everything correct, you should come to the screen and you should see something different. You should see an option that says close account permanently. And once you've done that, you've successfully deleted your Cash App account.